Hello everybody, it's your boy Chill Will, and today I have IKEA mashed potatoes here. Here's what they look like.
Yeah, we go too.
And without further ado,
right here at
let's try this.
IKEA eating the Swedish meatballs. Yeah. Not me and Julian and him. Yup. Hey, how's Dominic liking soccer? Yeah. Is he totally out of it, or he'll catch engaged sometimes? I said, who's right?
Started to taste like Play-Doh. Now it's getting better. Let's try it with the gravy. And the berry jam. Ooh, that's like raspberry. Maybe strawberry. Overall, not the best mashed potatoes I've ever tried, but still good.
Alright, guys, I'll give you a call back. I'm gonna handle it right here.
Overall, I'd have to give the mashed potatoes
Alright, guys. Yeah.
a 9 point.
Yeah. But I called Tata right
2 out of
after
10. Definitely not my favorite, but definitely not terrible. Definitely pretty cool. That'll be my review, and eat hardy, my homies.